Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make character spacing loose in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. We can see here many slides and added some text, shapes, charts, image, etc. Now we want to make the character spacing loose. Firstly, select the text, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the home menu and we can see here the spacing character. Now you enable this and we can see here the loose option. Now I am select this, otherwise you can enable the very loose option. Now I am select only loose. You can applying this process to another text. Again select the text and enable the character spacing and make loose. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.